Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix invalid code on Roblox Redeem. So the first solution for you is that sometimes you make a typo by basically writing a code. So I know if you're getting digital or physical version of your gift card, but make sure to do not make any typos writing this gift card code, because you will get this invalid code message. So the first one, do not make a typo. And another problem it can occur to you is that basically they send gift cards right away, and sometimes not instantly they activate the code. So you need to wait for a couple of minutes, maybe 10. If you're getting invalid code message, wait from 5 to 10 minutes and try again and see if it's working for you or not. And basically another thing that can happen to you is that somebody else activated your code first, and now you cannot have access to your gift card code. And the last basically problem that can happen to you is that sometimes Roblox servers is not working properly, and they do not allow you to redeem the code. So what you can do here is to go to status.roblox.com, and you need to look if the servers are fully operational or not. And if the servers are fully operational, the problem is not on their end but on yours. So the majority of the time people get the invalid code message by making a typo by writing down the code into the basically this bar. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.